Hi, I'm Dr. Tabor Smith, and today we want to talk about, is chiropractic adjustments safe for your children? Before we dive into this question, I want you to know that there are two links below this video. The first link will give you access to Pure Life University. That's where we'll walk you through the 5 foundational principles of health that can help you and your family live that life you desire. The second link is for you to schedule a no-obligation consultation with me in one of my offices in Houston, Texas. So go ahead and check those links out. Is chiropractic adjustments safe for your kids? My answer to that is 100% yes. Now, I had advanced training. I went and got advanced training after I graduated from chiropractic school, so that I could get certified through the International Chiropractic Pediatric Association. We focus on very gentle, very safe, but very effective chiropractic adjustments for children. In fact, the International Chiropractic Pediatric Association recently released a study where they followed almost 700 children through over 5,000 chiropractic visits. And they asked the parents after every visit, were there any adverse side effects? What they found out was the biggest side effect that they ever received was a little bit of discomfort the next day after an adjustment. In most cases, there was no side effect at all. In fact, I've seen hundreds of patients come through my office, hundreds of kids, if not thousands over the decade that I've been practicing, and I've never seen a chiropractic adjustment hurt a kid. I've only seen it help. I've seen it do some absolutely amazing things. And let's compare that to medicine. In fact, in the Annals of Emergency Medicine, there was a study released where they studied thousands of children who were on cough and cold medications. Over 1,500 of them had to go to the emergency room because of adverse reactions to the cough or cold medicine. Over 1,500 children were severely injured, enough to actually have to have an emergency visit, and 3 of those cases actually died from the cough and cold medicine. So if you're actually comparing medicine versus chiropractic for your children, choose chiropractic. It's a much safer choice, in my opinion. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you on the next one.